Look at them go, folks! It's Speedy Wheels in the lead! No, it's Thunder Wheels! No, it's Speedy Wheels! No, it's Thunder Wheels! Thunder Wheels wins the race! And the crowd goes wild!
I'm so excited! I'm shaking all over that.
Those are some really fast cars.
They certainly are. And I'm a super fast driver. The fastest around.
You are fast, Zack. Almost as fast as the drivers at Pop-Up Speedway.
Pop-Up Speedway?
It's where the fastest drivers in the world drive the fastest cars in the world.
Really?
Of course! I know all about Pop-Up Speedway. Been going there since I was a tadpole. There's a huge race and a trophy for the winner. The biggest, shiniest trophy I've ever seen.
And I'm going to win it.
Huh?
Oh, Zack.
I'm shaking again. I'm so excited. Aren't you going to need a real race car then, Zack? A real fast race car?
Good point. This calls for a pop-up. Come on, Quack.
A bus? Not so fast.
Maybe there's a way it could be. By turning it into a race car. Come on, everyone. We need race car stuff. Whoa! Not exactly what I was hoping for. The Team Zack race car!
Amazing! A homemade hot rod!
Hop in, Quack. I'm gonna need a good wingman. Kira, would you like to be my pop-up mechanic?
You bet your bookmarks I do.
Poptastic! Why doesn't everyone just come?
I'm in.
Pop-up Speedway, here we come!
We're too heavy, Zack, especially to cross that.